Hi, I'm Sam with Energy Wellness Products and AskMara.com, and today we're going to be going through, for HTE distributors, how to use the Line app and the new iSOQI app. This is what we call 2.0. Very excited. It interconnects all of us better, gives you carts and everything else. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the Line app. It can run on Android or Apple. I happen to have Android. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what the app looks like so that you can find it in your Play Store. Right there's the Line app. You'll want to download that. You'll have to sign up for your own account. This allows you to chat, send voice messages, participate with other people in our group. So inside a Line, we're going to be the iSOQI 1. To join this group, you're going to have to be invited. So once you get it installed and everything, you can send somebody a message that's your upline, and they can help you get on here. So here's all the messages. There's Richard, our leader, sends us some nice motivational one. People respond every day. If you've got a question, they're really quick about this. That's what I like about it. So that's the Line app. Really important you get on there. It's a great communication tool, and it's all free. Okay. And then the other app that you're going to want to install is called iSOQI US. This app allows you the full access to a shopping cart, all your sales. There's videos in there that you can instantly show to people. The whole distributor's manual's in there, so if you're sitting around with nothing to do, you can read through the distributor manual. Very, very good. So you're going to look up iSOQI US in your Play Store. And this is kind of what it looks like. We'll go in there in just a little bit and poke around a little bit and show you some of the features. Now, on an iPad, one of the things you need to know is you have to switch this to iPhone only, or else that app does not show up when you search for the iSOQI US. It won't show up. So just switch your iPad over to the iPhone only. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open this, and you want to hit update after you download it. And so it says transferring data, and it's going ahead. Oh, it's got to go ahead and do the update, so this might take a minute. And it's working on it. So I may cut some of this out, so we may not want to wait that long. Didn't realize. So you want to do that frequently, and you don't have to be logged in to update it. So it's going ahead. It looks like it's going to finish here in a little bit. So iSOQI 2.0 is bringing the old to the new. It interconnects us all. We can send messages. It's a really awesome way of doing business. You can text people through it and everything else. Line is really important you get on there. This app here also is going to have teleconferencing and stuff available with it. So this is going to take a minute. We're just going to pause here and let that upload. Okay, so we've got it updated, and we're going to go ahead and launch it. I put my distributor ID and number in there, and it went ahead and launched. So here's what we look like. We have group. So in there you can see your group. Products, we've got some, well, we'll just go ahead and go in there. So we got Chi Machine, Hot House, iSOQI Bed, there's PDFs, there's videos, nutritional supplements, skincare, about iSOQI 2.0. So that's all good. Go back to home. And then business, that's training. There's training, knowledge, members area, news. My account, you can go in and look at your account. Calculations, it says coming soon. That's going to be coming pretty soon. Let's see about shop here. Shopping cart. So it actually takes you to the website, and there you can calculate. They're going to have this where it's integrated, and you could send somebody and they could sign here and everything. But you can use this right now, and it is linked back to you through your shopping cart. So that's good. So that's kind of what iSOQI looks like. Just remember, you got to switch it to iPad only for an iPad. Tablet you don't have to. It works on your phone. I really like it on the phone. Here's kind of what it looks like on the phone, just to give you an idea. So between those two, you should really get online and on iSOQI and get connected, and then we can communicate better with you. Newsletters, all your information, new products, if something's out of stock, is instantly online, and they're going to let you know. So this is the new tools coming out. We're real excited about them, and I hope you learn to use them. Thanks.